Welcome to our bathroom. Today we're going to be installing the pedestal sink behind me. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. My husband and I are going to install it and then give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. One thing you should know is that this only takes the small bathroom faucets. If you have a 3-piece set with the larger inserts, it is not going to fit this sink. It is packaged really well with lots of padding to protect it during shipping. Calvin already wants the box. We're upgrading our sink today. If only it were that easy. We're going to need to repair the wall from where the other sink was at. But I really like it.
All I need is, I gotta go to Lowe's. There's no question about it. I gotta take a measurement too.
This comes with really heavy-duty mounting screws as well as heavy-duty anchors if you are putting this into, say, drywall versus a stud. We are retrofitting it because that's the only way we could do this.
But it's a T25 that goes in there. This will go into the back of the sink, and that will be the little buffer so you don't crack your porcelain.
If you have drywall behind your sink, they also include anchors. If you have anchors for the base of your current sink, you will need to anchor this base as well, but they do not provide the anchors for the base, only for the top. My husband went ahead and installed the drain into the sink top before he put the pedestal on to make assembly and plumbing easier. But the base just holds the top up. I mean, you just set it on top and slide the screws through the holes in the back. I feel the need to say that this was not supposed to be this big of a project. My husband surprised me and installed this part without me up here to record. First, he put the drain in. Then he put the faucet in, connected the plumbing, the hot and the cold, to the hot and the cold, and then connected the drain, which just tucks up inside here and goes right into the drain piece. If you are looking for a beautiful pedestal sink that is modern and gorgeous, I would not hesitate to recommend this one.